In this video, I want to show you a tip how to save 24% up to 73% in saving your monthly bill on Amazon FBA. Welcome to Worldcraft Logistics TV, episode number 38. My name is Jimmy Tran, owner and CEO of Worldcraft Logistics. So right now, today, from January to September, Amazon charged 87 cents per cubic foot per month for storage. And then from September to December, Q4, Amazon upped their price 3x, $2.40 per cubic foot. So why use Worldcraft Logistics, or how are you going to save large amount of money? 24%. So our price right now is 65 cents per cubic foot per month. So in comparison right now, you're going from 87 cents to 65 cents for your storage. That is huge saving, 24% on your monthly storage. And then in September, when the price go up to $2.40, our price will remain at 65 cents per cubic foot. That is a 73% saving in your storage. This is the quickest way to reduce your storage bill. So what is Worldcraft Logistics, or what do we do? Why do we have over 400 Amazon sellers storing their cargo in our warehouse? So we are a 3PL. We bring containers into our client will bring container load of good into our warehouse. We will unload the container. We will store the cargo here for our client versus send it all to Amazon. And if Amazon need 10 carton, or Amazon need a few pallets, 5-6 pallets, we will build those pallets. We will put FBA label on there for our client. Amazon trucker come and pick it up. Or if you decide to use UPS to Amazon, we have UPS feeder every single day. We're able to put the carton in, and boom, 3 days later, it gets to Amazon. So this is how big Amazon seller save money working with us during this time, inflation and recession, and especially during Q4. As you can see, saving 73% in storage. That's a huge number. That's how you cut your bill down. This is a reoccurring fee. Every single month is not just a shipping fee, okay? So here's an extra bonus. What else does Worldcraft Logistics do? Worldcraft Logistics have an office in China, have an office in Vietnam. So if you are buying from factory in China and Vietnam, clear communication between the two countries. We are able to coordinate shipping from ocean, air shipment from China or Vietnam and other countries as well. But we specifically have office in those two countries because shipment, there's a large amount of shipment there. We're able to do ocean transport, air transport here to the US, Port of Long Beach. Once we hit here the Port of Long Beach, Worldcraft Logistics also invests money in our own chassis, in our own truck, in our own warehouse. So this is the reason why in the last 10 years, Worldcraft Logistics has been focusing on Amazon FBA. There's a reason why in the last 10 years, we have this much business in our warehouse through COVID and everything. So if you are looking to save your Amazon storage from 24% during the normal season up to 73% during the peak season, contact us below. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Jimmy Tran.